Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Don't see a lot of these around. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Sports Convertible. I do want to point out, we got a little dinger up here in the front. One of those cars, I guess we usually will represent them. Drive it the way it is, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. Kind of one of those deals as far as on the bodywork of this one. Underneath the hood, inline 6, 170 cubic inch. Automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Grille, headlight surrounds. Take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. So it can take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Futura wheel covers. Original paint coat in this car, D, so Ming Green is the original color of this car. White vinyl top, that is a power top, functions as it should. And we are going to raise that up here at the end of the video. Let you check it out. We'll also start it up, let you hear it run, and then remember at the very end of these videos, we're going to take this car for a little ride, put the camera in it, show you what it's like driving down the road. Turquoise interior. 87 trim code, seat belts up front, center console. Pretty stock looking dash with the exception of the aftermarket gauge there. Parade boot or convertible top cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, still pictures, unique classiccars.com. Take a look down the driver's side. There's a little dinger here too. We're also going to have a little noise coming through in the background with a big block El Camino that you're going to hear. That's a 69 El Camino. You'll be able to check that on our website too. Door panels. Take a look at the seats. In vinyl, two-tone seats up front. Let's go ahead and start this up. Here's fuel gauge is working. Generator light you may see flash a little bit when the idle's real low. Oil pressure gauge down below. Peek at the dash. How it sounds. Again, 170 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder. Flip up to the front, check out this engine bay. And we're going to check out the vinyl top and stick around to the very end for the driving video. And here's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy also. Engine bay. Smooth runner, sounds good. There's a battery disconnect here when it's in storage or in between drives. Looks like we got headers on this side too. Check that out. Let me get this top up. Check that out. We'll finish up this video. And here it is with the top up. White vinyl top, nice tight fit above the windshield. And as you can see, it does not appear to be full of rips, tears, or holes. Looks good. The top in the center. Rear window is clear. Passenger side, also nice shape. Again, free of rips, tears, and holes. Nice tight fit above the windshield. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check out all the pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1963 Ford Falcon. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. But for some streaks from the windshield wipers on the glass, pretty cool car. She's running really good. Nice color blue. It's an automatic on the column. The fuel gauge is working, showing a little over half a tank. Speedometer is working. Our temperature gauge is reading about a quarter of the way up from cold to hot. The windshield wipers do function on this car. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. And those always put out good sound. Modern radio that looks like an old one. Stock looking bucket seats in the front here, very nice condition. Got that nice turquoise blue for the carpet and the doors and the dash. If I am going down the road and let go of the wheel of this car, it stays right where I put it, no deviation to either side of the lane. Brakes are working well also. One of the last days in Minnesota we're going to get to drive with the top down and be nice and warm, I think. We got about 60 degrees today, the end of November. Very smooth running, smooth riding little Falcon. Fun one to drive with the top down. There is a gauge under the dash. Sorry, I just noticed this. There's an oil pressure gauge under the dash. And that's running a little over 45 PSI, so that's very good. Take a look at the pictures of this car and read all about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.